Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will discuss about SQL joins. We will see what is inner join, what is left join, what is right join, and so on with examples. And after which, we will also see a real-time scenario in MySQL database by putting some tables and work on these joins and see what's the output is going to be. So let's get started. So what are SQL joins? So the SQL joins are used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. What it means is basically there should be a common identifier between the tables to join them and based on a clause, whether it can be inner, right, or left, or so on. So in my slide, I've shown you two types of join in the slide. So we can see the inner join on the top. So what it means, there are two tables, A and B. And when we join, only the innermost part is retrieved. So on the right side, you can see two tables. As an example, the left table and the right table. So, so the left table has product ID, postal code, and sales. And the right table has got product ID, category, and subcategory. So uh, these are the dimensions basically. So the category and subcategory are the dimension table, and the left table is basically the fact table. So when we joined based on the inner join condition, the output will be output is retrieved basis the condition of inner join. So inner join is basically the 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 rows which are present in both tables, both the right and left tables. So we can see 1798, 577, and 760. And and if you see the 454 and 240 are not part of this output because it exists only in the left table and not in the right table. So that's the reason the inner join retrieves only the innermost or most common elements in both the tables. We will see further in a real-time example when I switch on to the MySQL database. So let's move on now. So the next join is left join. The left join retrieves all the records from the left table and matching records from both the tables. Okay, so here you can see they're all the contents of A are retrieved, and few of them are also uh, a part of table B. So in the table example, the left table and right table, so we can see the same contents, basically the product ID, postal code, and sales, and product ID category and subcategory. So here, when I join based on the left join condition, so all the records of left table are retrieved alongside the contents of right. So here you can see this 1798 um, 577 and 760 are part of this table extension. So these columns are added based on the left join condition, and this 454 and 240 are not present in the right table, and hence they have got null values in the extended table columns. That means the 454 is not present in the right table, and 240 is not present in the right table, and they have no values to show up from the right table. So this is about the left join. Next, we will see what's right join. So right join retrieves all the record from right table and matching record from the both tables. It's exactly opposite. So just what we just discussed on the left table. So it will retrieve all the contents of all the rows of right table and it just matching records of left table or basically the both tables. So here you can see an example again. So left table and right table. So it will retrieve all the records of this 1798, 3546, 1584, 577, and 760 um, as compared to the left table, only the matching records, which is like 1798, 577, and 760. Only those records are retrieved. And 3546, 1584, which are present in right table but not in left table, has not got any output for those columns from the left table. So we can see those null values for these two columns which are retrieved from the left table because these records are not present in the left table. So that's about the right join. Next, we will see left join with null check. Okay, so it filters only the records where there is no match. Sorry, where there is no match in the right table. So it's basically a null check. So I want to exclude which are not there in the right table. So here in the example, left table got there's many rows and right table. So it has retrieved only the records which are not present in the right table. So the 454 and 240, which are uncommon. So it is retrieved only the uncommon records of the right table. from the right table. So since we got the 1798 in both the tables, 577 in both the tables, and 760 in both the tables, they are not retrieved. So as part of this condition of its join clause. So that's about the left join with null set. Next, we will see same case with the right join with null set. So it happens to be the same exactly opposite to the left table. Now in this case, it's the right table. So the right table, the uncommon uh, records of the right table are retrieved, basically the 3546 and 1584. We can see here. And since we got the 1798 in both the tables, 577 and 760 in both the tables, those are not retrieved as part of this condition. Okay, so next we will see the full join. Okay, so it's kind of a more simpler or simplest form of join. Um, where it retrieves all the records, whether there is a match or not, either from either of the tables. So it basically retrieves all the records in a combined way. Like it joins everything from both the tables, whether there is a match or not, it doesn't care. So basically, so the left table has these many records, right table has these many records. So first, it will obviously just take the contents of left table and then put the leftover records from the right table, which is 3546 and 1584, and put them across the table. However, when it goes for the respective fields and columns, it will definitely show a null where if there is no match for those columns. So in this case, 454 is not there in the right table, so it is showing null values. And similarly, 3546, 1584 are not part of the left table, and they are showing null values for those columns which are retrieved from the left table. But it shows in parity the column contents from both the tables. So that's about the full join. Okay, so next, let's move on to the full join with a null check. So this is again kind of uncommon entities or uncommon rows which are not which are part of the both tables are not retrieved. So here left table and right table. So what it retrieved is basically the 454 240. So 454 is not part of the right table, hence it is got the values. And 3546 and 1584 are not part of the left table, and hence it goes and it retrieved those rows with null values from these tables and the values from its own table. So yeah, so this one kind of a join in SQL. So the last one is interesting. So it is not kind of related to it's kind of related to all the tables we discussed about. So it's called cross join. So what does cross join means is like it combines or it takes a combination of each of the element from the other table and retrieves the data. So it's basically used. For example, there are in my example. So there are four products of televisions. Say Samsung, LG, Sony, and VU and the screen size. So what it mean is like each TV, each brand has got these four sizes in the kind of market, right? So LG has got these four sizes, Sony's got these four sizes, and View got four sizes, and Samsung got these four sizes. So in order to have a common entity, uh, so one need not worry about writing four times each for each product. So in order to get rid of the duplication of work, so we use a cross join, which will retrieve the uh, for the which will retrieve the contents from other table dynamically. So what we see here is like each product has got its four different sizes, right? So it has multiplied or it has combined or it's a kind of a cross joined with each of the table rows and give an output of 16 entities in total. So each product has got four different sizes or each size has got four different products. So either way we can look. So that's about the cross join.